In this video, we're going to learn about AlgoKit Doctors, which is a feature in AlgoKit that you use to check if you've installed AlgoKit properly and check if you need to update any dependencies. Now, assuming that you have AlgoKit installed, to use Doctor, all you need to do is type in AlgoKit Doctor into your command prompt, and it's going to check if you have all of these dependencies installed. Now, I have everything installed properly and all the dependencies have proper versions, so I don't see any errors here. But if I don't have Docker installed, it will tell you to install Docker. If your version is too old or deprecated, it will tell you to update it. So AlgoKit Doctor is a simple tool that you can use to quickly check if everything is fine with your AlgoKit. Now, after running AlgoKit Doctor, for some reason, if you can't figure out what's wrong with your AlgoKit, you can submit an issue here at the AlgoKit CLI GitHub. And if you want to copy whatever the AlgoKit Doctor shows on your command prompt, you can do AlgoKit Doctor-C, and that's going to copy everything that you see up here. So if I clear that, and if I do Command V, as you can see, the AlgoKit Doctor prompt was properly copied and I was able to paste that. So you can paste in the AlgoKit Doctor prompt and submit an issue to see what's wrong with your AlgoKit. Also, you can head to the Algorand Discord channel, come down here and find the AlgoKit channel here under DevTools Support, and you can ask your question here to figure out what's wrong with your AlgoKit. And if you want to learn more about AlgoKit Doctor, you can come to the AlgoKit documentation here and learn everything about AlgoKit Doctor and see what you can do with it.